As COVID hospitalizations continue to decline in Connecticut, medical professionals are more confident that we're getting over the latest surge. A major strategy to get to the other side of this is using therapeutics, but we don't have enough of it. Fox 61's Julia LeBlanc is joining us outside St. Francis Hospital with a push to change that.
In just a couple hours from now, state and medical leaders across Connecticut will be gathering outside of St. Francis Hospital, calling on the federal government to speed up on the process of producing and distributing COVID therapeutics. Right now, our Connecticut hospitals are reporting that they have a very short supply of those therapeutics, and so many hospitals across the country also in the same situation. Now, what we're talking about here when we mention the word therapeutics are two different pills created by Pfizer and Merck, which have been given emergency use authorization by the FDA. Now, Pfizer's pill is meant to be a series of medications people can take within the first few days of showing symptoms of COVID-19. But right now, since there's not enough supply, it's only being used for those who are the most vulnerable. Now, Dr. Scott Gottlieb, the former FDA commissioner, says we will see availability of these therapeutics jump this year, especially as we head into the fall. But we caught up with Dr. Syed Hussein this morning with Trinity Health of New England, who says we need to speed up that process even further. Here's why.
If folks take it earlier enough in the course of their diagnosis of COVID-19, it will help prevent hospitalizations and progression to severe disease. So what that means is it will take the burden off of hospitals and healthcare systems. And that's an important step when you think about how are we going to coexist with this virus.
Dr. Hussein making it a point that we were able to develop COVID-19 vaccines really quickly because the government was fully behind that process. He says they need to do the same for these therapeutics. We're in Hartford. Julia LeBlanc, Fox 61 News.